Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith. I wanted to show you a quick video on how to use your voice typing on Google Docs and Google Slides. This is a pretty easy and it's really helpful for those of you who at home who hate typing or are having a hard time getting some of those assignments done with the typing incorporated in. And it just will ease some of that pain and it'll help with timing, I believe. So this is a great tool. Going to Google Docs first, you simply, when you're ready to type on your document, you go to Tools, and then you go down to Voice Typing where you see your microphone. And this is where you're going to make sure you have whatever you want to say prepared. So you don't really want to click on it and then sit and think. You want to have whatever you're going to say prepared and ready and then say what you want to say. So I would recommend either writing it on a piece of paper first or saying it out loud to somebody and then speaking it. So have your sentence in your head first. You want to make sure you're sitting close to the Chromebook. You're using a microphone that's right up at the top of your Chromebook. You might be asked actually to hit allow whenever you open that typing tool or voice typing tool. So make sure you hit allow. Don't block it because then it'll be difficult to get it back. So we're going to click to speak whenever we want to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and click. When you see the microphone is red, that means that it's working. So you can see my lines and such going across here, period. And then when you're done, you saw that I clicked off. So you click on the microphone again to stop. Now, you see that some of these words are not right. So when I go back, you want to make sure you reread your sentences and make those editing revisions that you need to. So when you see the microphone it says rent, should be red. That means that is working, that it is working. So you can see my lines and such going across here. And I should have a comma here. So make sure that you're going back and doing that because it is going to make some errors every once in a while, especially if you don't have a headset like mine. It's picking up my voice perfectly and it still made some errors. So I know that can be frustrating, but it's still a really helpful tool. So that's how you do it on Google Docs. You just, every time you want to stop your sentence, you just simply hit the microphone. When you want to start, you hit the microphone. Pretty easy. So I'm going to show you how to use it in Google Slides because it's a little different. With Google Slides, the tool goes into the speaker notes at the bottom. So some of you might have it down here, some of you might have it higher. So you just want to take your little draggy tool, you hover over it, and you pull it up. So ours is an opinion essay. So I'm going to show you how to just an example of an introduction for an opinion essay. I'm going to go to Tools. It's called Voice Type Speaker Notes in this one. So you click on that. And the same thing, you click on it whenever you want it to start. In my opinion, coffee is the best drink for the morning, period. Okay, so you'll notice it put a space right after that period, so that's great. So I clicked off. I'm going to click back on for my next sentence after I think about it, and then I'm going to say it. Coffee is great because it helps me ease into the morning, comma, it is tasty, comma, and I love to have the energy, period. So I might make a little modification to that sentence, but my point of this is to show you that it's going to print down here. And then you simply take your essay once you're done with it, you highlight the whole thing, you right click and press copy. Then you drag that speaker notes back down and you simply click inside the text box on the actual Google slide and then you paste. So now you can make your modifications and such to your writing if you want to make it bigger, whatever. But just to know that when you type, you're not going to type into this part. You're typing into speaker notes. So if I want to add to this essay, I would go down here. I would type into my speaker notes again using this click on, click off tool, and then copy and paste it into the Google slide. So that's how you do it with Google Slides. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you need any help. Contact sarah.smith@writecity.k12.mo.us or just ask your teachers, or if I'm your teacher, ask me. Have a great day. Bye.